Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's trace and paint them together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. 1. I have one happy face. 2. I see two little birds. 3. There are 3 big cats. 4. 4 colorful balloons are flying. 5. 5 fingers on my hand. 6. 6 silly monkeys are playing. 7. 7 bright stars in the sky. 8. 8 big eggs in the nest. 9. 9 nice pencils in my box. 10. 10 tiny toes on my feet. 11. 11 elephants are marching. 12. 12 tasty cupcakes for all. 13. 13 happy friends are smiling. 14. 14 colorful flowers blooming. 15. 15 big books on the shelf. 16. 16 soft teddy bears cuddling. 17. 17 butterflies flying high. 18. 18 big trucks driving by. 19. 19 nice kids playing together. 20. 20 happy smiles all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Please like and subscribe to my channel.